Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create dark tone portrait effect in Snapspeed. And here's how it's done. Step 1. Open your image. Open Snapspeed and tap Open to select a portrait photo. Choose an image with strong facial features for the best effect. Step 2. Adjust basic tones with Tune Image. Tap Tools, Tune Image. Adjust these settings for a darker mood. Brightness, -20 to -50, reduce overall light. Contrast, +30 to +50, deepen shadows and highlights. Saturation, -10 to -30 for desaturated moody look. Ambience, -20 to -40, adds depth and drama. Shadows, -30 to -50, enhance dark areas. Top check to apply. Step 3. Enhance the dark look with curves. Tap Tools, Curves. Select the luminance curve and create an S shape for deep contrast. In the red and blue curves, slightly decrease highlights for a warm or cool effect. Top check to confirm. Step 4. Add a matte effect with Vignette. Tap Tools, Vignette. Reduce outer brightness. -30 to -50 for a focused dark look. Increase inner brightness. +10 to +20 to highlight the face. Top check to apply. Step 5. Sharpen the details with Details. Tap Tools, Details. Increase structure. +20 to +50 for a gritty, textured look. Adjust sharpening. +10 to +30 to enhance clarity. Top check to confirm. Step 6. Final adjustments and export. Use Selective to fine-tune brightness and contrast on key facial features. Tap Export and save your cinematic dark tone portrait. And that's everything you need to know about how to create tone portrait effect in Snapspeed. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.